we're gonna make a fake cake. Now, why would you want a fake cake? That's a great question. Well, it's cute. It's my way of dieting. I can look at a cute cake and I don't have to eat it. Bonus! Super, super adorable. But this is also great if you are a sola artist, if you are a photographer, so that you can have a prop, put some flowers on it. Absolutely adorable. So we're gonna do this project first. I'm gonna show you how to make a fake cake, but we're gonna make a wedding cake. Oh yes, I'm upping up my game. And then the second part of this tutorial is going to be how to decorate a cake using sola flowers. We're gonna use our fake cake, but everything I'm showing you, you can use with an actual real cake. So enough of me chit-chatting, and I'm starting to get hungry, so let's jump into this tutorial. We're stemming the flowers with toothpicks because we're going to treat this as if this is an actual real cake. The best way to stem the flowers is with toothpicks, and then you want to put a little bit of wax or parchment paper underneath the flower so that it creates a buffer between where the flower and the cake is. Because I'm using a fake cake, I'm not going to use the wax paper, but it's a good idea if you're using fresh an actual cake and not a faux cake. Also, same with the greenery. I've taken all of the greenery and we've put toothpicks on all these little sprigs. I've just hot glued them for that. So I think we're just gonna play and decorate the cake and see where it goes. gorgeous did this cake turn out, you guys? Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. I don't know where, it's gonna go somewhere here in the studio, and I'm gonna look at it and just go, my, you are a pretty cake. The coolest thing about this is if you make a fake cake for some sort of event, things like that, you can take out all of the flowers afterwards and then just spackle it over again, and you have a fresh new canvas, if you will, to do another type of flower arrangement. I went with like a cascading type design for this cake, but you can do whatever you want. Like, sky's the limit on this. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun making this. I'm trying really hard not to make 500 cakes and looking instead like a bakery here in the studio. It might happen. If you are interested in learning more about Oh You're Lovely and the almost 100 different style solo wood flowers we have now, take a look at ohyourlovely.com. If you're loving these tutorials and want to see weekly DIYs, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. If you have any questions, always pop them in the comments. We'll make sure to answer them. And until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely.